Energy in the room is amazing. What a great event. Thank you, GIA. Thank you, GIS. My name is Mike Piedig. I'm with Salmon's Financial Group, and this is actually Salmon's Financial Group's first year working with the GIA. And I have been overly impressed with how this operation runs and with how this whole process works. To see the insurance industry come together, get behind these founders, and really work to see these venture firms come from small little startups where it's an idea and a PowerPoint presentation, and take that and drive it all the way to the presentations you're seeing today. And it's an amazing transformation. I have the pleasure to have been a mentor for one of these such groups, our next founder. And I've watched them really take all of this information, take the contacts, take all the mentoring, take all the advice and everything that the insurance industry could give them and just soak it in and build it into their product. And I think their product is one of the most amazing products because it helps us solve one of the biggest problems that we have in this industry. And it's the mounds of paper and unstructured data that we have still flowing through the insurance world. And so with that, please help me give a warm GIA welcome to Pranav Rajan from InforMedic.
All righty. Hello, everybody. Save the best for last, right? Or something like that. All right. Hello, everybody. My name is Pranav Rajan, and I'm the COO and a co-founder at InforMedic, where we provide your company with tools for fast and accurate underwriting. So the problem that we solve, as Mike gave a great explanation of, is basically that the current life insurance underwriting process is very long and expensive. Underwriters are receiving large data dumps of medical records that can be up to 1,000 pages long. Now imagine you're an underwriter. You have to scroll through every single one of these 1,000 pages to determine which information is useful, extract that information, and summarize that information, and use all of that information to determine how risky an applicant is. One of the current alternatives is that companies are paying third-party corporations and doctor consultations to provide summaries of these medical records, only to have to wait 3, 4, 5 business days to receive a summary that's still not very easy to access or effective. The other alternative is that underwriters are taking shortcuts. Rather than looking at the entire medical record, they're looking at just the prescription history of an applicant. In doing so, yes, it's faster, but it results in lots of inaccuracies, and it ends up having the company providing policies to individuals that they believe are lower risk than they truly are. So the solution that InforMedic provides is we've built a SOC 2 and HIPAA compliant underwriting workbench that uses machine learning to streamline the entire underwriting process. There are 4 main components to our solution. First, an underwriter's dashboard. Second, InforMedic's 8-step extraction portal. Third, our ability to take those 1,000-page documents and turn them into single-page summaries within the matter of minutes. And finally, using all of that extracted data to provide a suggestion on how risky an applicant really is. So at the end of the day, we built a platform where an underwriter can go in and upload one of those 500, 600, 700-page PDFs and receive a summary with all the useful information to make a decision regarding an applicant within a matter of minutes, along with the suggestion of how risky an applicant is. So now let's take a look at our product. So this is our underwriter's dashboard, where an underwriter can see all of the information necessary to make a decision regarding an applicant, along with the medical records associated with each client. This is InforMedic's 8-step extraction portal with categories and information extracted from the original PDF itself. Here is InforMedic's timeline. We've implemented a variety of different features throughout our platform that allow for the underwriter not only to be able to see how an applicant's health is trending over a period of time, but also compare the applicant's health to similar age and same gender applicants. So reference ranges and charts with all sorts of information that allow for an underwriter to quickly determine how risky an applicant is. We also, throughout anywhere in our application, have implemented a hyperlink function. Wherever an underwriter is, they're able to click on this little arrow button and be taken to exactly where in 1,000 pages that information was extracted from. and the heart of our software, the single-page summary, with all the information necessary for an underwriter to make a decision combined into a single interactive and dynamic page. So, a company we're currently working with, a Fortune 500 company, receives 500,000 applications spread across 100 underwriters. Based off of this, we're able to determine exactly how long they currently spend on an application. And with InforMedic, after extensive product testing, we're able to determine they're able to save 34% of their underwriters' time, or almost $1.8 million in a net value of savings, and an ROI of 3x. But InforMedic's value doesn't stop there. All of a sudden, this company's sales agents are able to focus on new client acquisition rather than being worried about the medical record review process. Their most important and largest clients, which are the ones that we are taking care of, are receiving their policies in a significantly faster turnaround time. And the company's sales are through the roof due to the fact that they're able to process significantly more applications when using our software. We've looked very deeply at our competitors, and we're proud to say that we are the only solution in the market that's specifically catered to life insurance carriers. We're not repurposing a software that was created for an alternative industry. We created this for your companies and your underwriters. There are a few features that allow us to do so. First, the fact that we're able to provide a rate classification and a suggestion on how risky an applicant is based off of all of our extracted and summarized data. And then also, the underwriter platform that we provide, where an underwriter can go through the entire life insurance underwriting process and application review process on our platform. We're also the only company currently that's charging a fixed cost for summaries rather than a per page or per document, resulting in a very cheap alternative to the current solutions. And our processing time is significantly faster. We're able to provide summaries in minutes rather than days. Some of the companies we're currently working with include Mutual of Omaha, who we have a letter of intent signed with, Pac Life, and Salmons Financial, who we recently just passed their two-step vendor risk assessment process, proving us to be SOC 2 compliant. But after all these interviews that GIA has provided us and mentor meetings and dating, we've realized that life insurance isn't the only place where we can apply this software. Long-term care insurance, disability claims, health insurance, all these places have medical records that need to be reviewed. And that's where we really see ourselves shining. So Tan and I have had the opportunity and have been honing our skills. Throughout a variety of different software engineering internships, we've honed our product development and customer discovery skills. And alongside our very experienced advisors, we're excited to bring the first catered solution to life insurance carriers. So please, join me and join my team. Come talk to us, see our demo, and join us in eliminating the manual document review process from our industry. Thank you.